So guys, kain tayo ng enchanted apple. Tatry natin tong bagong TNT binili ko guys. Oh shit, ang laki naman yan. Guys, it's so big bro.
Oh my god.
What? Bro, I'm lagging. Bro, I'm lagging. Oh my goodness. What is that? Oh my god, what did you do? My home obliterated. Oh my goodness. What is this? What the heck is this, guys? Oh my goodness. I will use this TNT forever and that is guys, I found this. I'm gonna obliterated this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Run. Oh shit. No!
Namawad kayo kuya kalaylay.
What the? I didn't spawn right here. I hate that. What the heck? No, guys. We are doing this next TNT. Toxic? What is this fucking... I will try right here. Oh my god, what is this doing? Ouch! Oh my god! I was one shot. Guys, I was one shot. Oh my god. Huh. Wait. Try and again. Check with loaded.
Na yan, may poison.
The heck? Bro! My cow was dead. What was next? Sonic TNT? What the fuck is this? I know that is dumb. Like I said. Healing TNT? Yes! Oh my god. I like this TNT. Wow. Nice. What's next? Lava TNT. I know that is stupid. Ow. Fuck, it's not
Tek na
TNT.
nagkalawa.
Oh my god, that was... I hate that anymore. Guys, I'm trying all the TNT. Oh my goodness. What is next? Trap? Oh! Oh my god. Why that is so very so good? Oh shit. Emma, get out. I'm lagging, bro. Oh. I'm gonna go right here. Shock. Avoid TNT. What is that, guys? Bro, don't me tell me what is that. Oh! No. Islam. So
Pwede mag-respawn
good.
ng bahay.
Oh, you will get out right here. Thanks. That's so very, very good. Rocket TNT. Ouch! Bruh. I'm overly rated. Guys, this is the next Polar TNT. What is that? I think this is freeze. Oh. Oh, it's nothing. What's this next? This got. What is that? Guys, I'm trapped. What is that? No, it's a trap. What could I use? Bruh, it's trap. Ah, it's trap. I hate that. Jeez. What is this, guys?
Ayan.
Guys, we're gonna try it.
Oh, babantay doon. Hindi kinokontrol.
Bro, what am I doing? I hate that. Ouch!
Nakasalubong mo yan. Sabi na! Isipan! Hindi mo kaya kaya ko.
Stupid zombie!
Naglagay ka ng trap. Itrap mo yung dalawa. Kasi
Bro, I'm lagging!
ay, hindi.
Oh shit! The skeleton overly rated. No one can stop me.